In this video, we are going to learn about how we can manage the knowledge base in Nexleon CRM. For this, we need to get login in the admin panel, then click on knowledge base. In knowledge base, we have groups. We can add a new group from here, group name, color, short description, and save. The group will be listed here. In articles, we have also Kanban view. We can view the articles in Kanban view. We can add new article from here, add a group, and add a description. If we want to disable, then we can click this checkbox. If we want to make this available for only internal in the organization or only for the staff members, then we can check this. Then click save. Then this is the article link, and we can view the link and article from here. So the article will be listed here. So this is how we can add the articles. Also, we can view the article. So this is the view of the article. This is how the customer can view the article.